Jesus Christ is the restorer. He is the same yesterday, today, and forever. He can restore your wounds from top to toe. And that is this Jesus that I love to serve. Jesus Christ restored the woman with the issue of blood. She had one issue which lasted 12 years. I had over 120 that lasted over 40 years as a result of the effects of being sexually abused as a child. I didn't think that I could be restored. My life was shattered and battered. But Jesus Christ began to heal me. He restored my heart. He restored my mind. Jesus restored my spirit. Jesus restored my soul. He's close to those who are of a broken heart. I don't know where you are or what you've ever gone through, but I want you to know that Jesus restores. The journey was a very long one. I didn't think that I could be restored, but Jesus Christ made the difference. And I bring you Jesus Christ, the great restorer. Looking unto Jesus, the restorer. In every situation, he will always be there for you. He is close to those who have a broken heart, and Jesus Christ will restore your life. Open up your heart and give him your brokenness, for he knows how to pick up the pieces and the mess and turn it into a message. So I bring you Jesus Christ, the restorer. You haven't come this far, so don't give up. Jesus Christ is the restorer. Have a blessed day.